You're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a squared minus b squared. This is equal to 4. Let's call this equation 1. Then a times b is equal to 2. Let's call this equation 2. So what is the value of a plus b? And given that a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. Now, let's provide a solution to this problem. Now, from equation 1, which is a squared minus b squared, which is equal to 4, let's square both sides. So, a squared minus b squared, this is actually in the form of a minus b raised to power 2, which we can express as a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have a to power 4 plus b to power 4 minus 2 times a squared multiplied by b squared. This is equal to 4 squared, which is 16. The next step here, let's take minus 2a squared b squared on the right hand side. So we'll have a to power 4 plus b to power 4. This is equal to 16 plus 2a squared b squared. Now we have a to power 4 plus b to power 4, which is equal to 16 plus 2. We can express a squared b squared as the square into bracket a times b squared. AB, we know what is AB from equation 2. A times b is equal to 2. So let's substitute this. So we have a to power 4 plus b to power 4. This is equal to 16 plus 2 into the parentheses 2 squared. So we have a to power 4 plus b to power 4. This is equal to 16 plus 2 squared is 4 times 2. This is equal to 8. So we have a to power 4 plus b to power 4. This is equal to 16 plus 8. This is equal to 24. Let's call this equation 3. Now, we have that if you have x plus y squared, this can be expressed as x squared plus y squared plus 2 times xy. Now, from what you have here, you find that x is equal to a squared, and we have that y is equal to b. We have that a to power 4 plus b to power 4. This is equal to 24. Now, let's call this equation 3. Now, given that x plus y squared, this is the same thing as x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Now, x is the same thing as a squared and y is the same thing as b squared. Substituting this, we'll have a squared plus b squared, everything here squared. So this is the same thing as a to power 4 plus b to power 4 plus 2a squared b squared. So we have here a squared plus b squared raised to power 2. This is equal to a to power 4 plus b to power 4. This is the same thing as equation 3, which is 24. So we have 24 plus 2 times a squared times b squared, which you can express as a b squared. But a times b from equation 2, this is equal to 2. So let's substitute this. So we have a squared plus b squared raised to power 2. This is the same thing as 24 plus 2 times, this is 2 raised to power 2. So here we have a squared plus b squared raised to power 2. This is equal to 24 plus 2 squared, this is 4. 4 times 2, this is 8. So we have a squared plus b squared raised to power 2. This is equal to 32. Now, this implies that a squared plus b squared raised to 2, this is equal to 32. To solve for a squared plus b squared, we just get the square root on both sides. So here we have plus or minus the square root of 32. So let's eliminate the square root sign here so that we have a squared plus b squared. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of 32, which is the same thing as 16 times 2. So a squared plus b squared, this is equal to plus or minus the square root of 16, this is 4, then square root of 2. Now, given that a plus b squared, this is the same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. Now, we have that a squared plus b squared, this is the same thing as plus or minus 4 square root of 2. So we can substitute here. So we'll have a plus b squared, this is equal to, now here we have plus or minus 4 square root of 2, then plus 2 times a times b. A times b is equal to 2. So therefore, we have a plus b squared. This is equal to plus or minus 4 square root of 2, then plus 4, which we can express as a plus b squared, which is equal to, now we have 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 2. A plus b squared, this is equal to 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 2. Now this implies that we have two possible values of a plus b squared. The first one is 4 plus 4 square root of 2. And the second is that a plus b squared is equal to 4 subtract 4 square root of 2. Now, given that a plus b squared, this is greater or equal to 0, and 4 plus 4 square root of 2, this is actually greater or equal to 0. The second part here, we have a plus b squared. This is equal to 4 minus 4 square root of 2. So a plus b squared, this again is greater or equal to 0, but 4 minus 4 square root of 2, this is less or equal to 0. So this violates the condition that a is greater than 0 or b is greater than 0. So in this case, the second solution here, this part will be rejected. This part will be rejected. So we have that a plus b squared, this is equal to 4 plus 4 square root of 2. We have that a plus b squared, this is equal to 4 plus 4 square root of 2. So 4 is common here. We can factor out 4. So this is the same thing as 4 into the parentheses 1 plus square root of 2. Now this is a plus b squared, and this is equal to 4 into the parentheses 1 plus square root of 2. Now, to solve for a plus b, let's introduce the square roots on both sides. That is the square root on both sides. So this implies that this is the square root sign. Will simplify here. So we'll have a plus b. This is equal to, now here we have plus or minus the square root of 4, which is 2, then square root of 1 plus square root of 2. And this is the solution to this algebra problem. This is the solution to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video and subscribe.